Coinbase Pro has long been a favorite among crypto traders, but recent changes have left many users scratching their heads. Is it still the go-to platform for serious trading, or has it lost its edge? Let's dive in and find out. Coinbase Pro is designed for more experienced cryptocurrency traders, offering advanced features like real-time order books, charting tools, and a variety of trading pairs. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, making it easier to execute trades quickly, which is crucial in the fast-paced world of crypto. However, it's important to note that Coinbase Pro has undergone some significant changes recently. The platform has integrated more features from its parent company Coinbase, which some users feel has diluted its original focus on advanced trading. One standout feature is the fee structure, which can be more favorable for high-volume traders compared to standard Coinbase. Yet there's a noticeable lack of transparency regarding recent updates, which has raised eyebrows among long-time users. The intended audience seems to be shifting slightly, as beginner traders may find the interface a bit overwhelming. Overall, while the core functionality remains solid, there are aspects that feel less intuitive than they used to be. On the plus side, Coinbase Pro still offers a powerful trading platform with a good selection of cryptocurrencies and competitive fees for larger trades. The real-time data and advanced charting tools can be incredibly useful for seasoned traders. However, there are some frustrations. Many users have expressed concerns about the increasing complexity of the platform, as it seems to be catering more towards casual users rather than hardcore traders. Additionally, the recent integration with Coinbase has led to some missing features that dedicated traders relied on. Trust signals are also a bit shaky, especially with the unclear communication about changes and how they affect users. If you're a beginner or someone who prefers a more straightforward trading experience, you might find Coinbase Pro overwhelming. But for experienced traders, it still has value, though you may want to explore other options as well. In summary, Coinbase Pro remains a solid choice for experienced traders who need advanced tools and trading options. However, the recent changes may leave some users feeling uncertain about its direction. If you're just starting out or prefer a simpler platform, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth considering, but proceed with caution.